What's going on, guys? It's Obaili Samutupi. We're back again on my YouTube channel. On today's video is going to be super amazing. We are going to be talking about, can you follow Forex trading as a career? So I went on the internet, then I started searching because I've never really came across someone that maybe I was in school with, or like something similar to that would be like, after me thinking I'm gonna go become a Forex trader, like that's my career, or even at school I've never seen someone raise their hand when we're being asked what is it that you wanna be. In fact, when I raised my hand, I was like, I want to be a skateboarder. That was like one of the things that I went with, and other people were speaking of other things like music, doctor, and all these things. I've never heard anyone say Forex trading, so I want us now to focus a bit more on that. Is it possible that a person can take Forex trading as a career? I honestly think that these things are things that they're not really taught out there. Like even in schools, it's in schools, colleges, wherever you get taught, they don't get taught because I wouldn't really say why. I don't understand why it's not being taught, but I think that back when I was in grade 8 and then maybe I found out about trading Forex, because of the fact that I already fell in love with it the first time when I knew about it. I think already at the time I was gonna start investing my time into it, getting to know what's going on, understanding the markets and stuff, and then obviously I'll be able to hopefully make it I'm in the Forex world maybe at a younger age, around 18, 19, I don't know, something similar to that. But today I was able to ask that. I asked a lot of people. I done a survey, and I sat down, I locked myself in the room for a week straight, and then I started searching of how can I build something that's similar to that, on which that's what we're going to be talking about. You can see the topics that we have here. What is a career? How the Forex business actually works? How I want to create a change. This is how I personally would like to create a change. What I am actually looking for, the requirements of making the change. Not only that, but what type of a person I'm looking for, because the requirements doesn't mean personality, you understand? So let us get straight to it. So the first thing that I want to start up with is obviously what is a career. So I went straight on the internet and then I started searching for it. I got here and then I searched what is a career. So let me just pull through my laptop right here. Okay. So with the explanation from the laptop, it states that an occupation undertaken for a significant period of a person's life with opportunities for progress. Okay, so it makes sense. So it's saying that it's an occupation taken, an occupation taken for a significant period of a person's life. So like an occupation that's being taken for that significant time, like a person's life that's specific. And also what it does is that with opportunities for progress. Okay, I understand now. I understand what a career is. So just to answer my question, can actually what is for career, we got it, but can Forex trading be a career? I think with the explanation that they gave us perfectly, it can be a career. Like it's something that shouldn't be brushed away. Most people believe that it's a scam, whereby a lot of people are finding success from the markets, and it's tough, especially at this time and age, a lot of people are not having jobs and all these things. It's tough. Why would this person believe that it's a scam, and why would this person be a millionaire from it? Those are two different things that I still don't understand, but I'd like for us to speak a bit more about that. But now moving over to how the Forex business works. But you did hear me saying, but I want to announce this beautiful giveaway that I decided to do right now, just as I saw the shit now. But I decided to do this giveaway, and I was like, someone can be able to take advantage of this. Obviously you don't have to do a lot for you to be able to win this shit. Just head over to forexchasers.shop, review the shop. You don't have to buy anything, just review the shop, screenshot a section that you like or anything that you like about the store, post it on your thing, your Instagram, your Facebook and stuff, promote it, tag Forex Chasers, and then end of day, maybe tomorrow morning in the morning time, we'll just scroll through and then I'll see the people that have tagged Forex Chasers, then we'll select from the so yeah, that's what you can do. It's just a simple giveaway that I'm thinking of doing, and obviously you can just comment below what you guys think about that too. But okay, so how does the Forex business actually work? How does the business of this Forex thing work? Why is it why do people think that it's a scam, or why do other people find success from it? So with my understanding, the Forex market is simply when a person buys or sells like a specific currency with a specific currency for a profit. Do you understand? So there's different types of currency pairs and all these things. You understand? So that's what happens when it comes to the market. And the market moves it moves at volatility. Like, you know, there's a movement that the market moves in. Like, you know, it'll either shoot down, shoot up, and all these things. So now, when a person is able to spot that this is going to be volatile to the upside, it's going to shoot a bit more to the upside in the next few days or few minutes or few seconds, and they are able to buy after predicting that once it does happen to shoot upwards or go upwards, you make a profit from that. So I like this business model. Why do I like it? You don't have to sell anything. You don't have to go out there and, you know, create a lot of things and stuff. You don't have, all you need is just to register, you know, create an account, you know, and then you can easily get into investing in the forex market. And one thing that I like about this is also the fact that, like, you know, you don't need a lot of capital. I see and understand that a lot of you guys would be like, I'm sure you need a lot of money to do this thing. It sounds too good to be true. You know what, if you still believe that it's a bit tough for you, or you still believe that it doesn't work that way, like, instead of you not trying it at all, like a lot of things that I still didn't believe back then, like when I see it or bumped into it now, I'll be like, you know what, let me just take the small money and then try and see what's going on. And then once I see that, okay, no, this thing is really true, I'll go in and then I'll learn about it, you understand? So try to at least fund, like, you know, 100 rands, 200 rands, and then see if, you know, it's really true what the people are saying. Like, once you get a broker and you trade on the MetaTrader platform and you make profits, is it possible of you to withdraw those profits? You understand? Get that down, understand it, because that's one thing that people are like, being able to just, like, you know, move forward with, like, information that they get. One person can get this information and use it differently. Another person can get this information within the next few months. They're already gone, the millionaires and stuff, you understand? That's just how we implement it. So that's how the forex business works. When you're having two different types of currencies, and then this one here maybe is gonna gain strength compared to this one here. So meaning that if you buy this currency and you sell this currency, you're gonna make a profit when this one really does gain strength. You understand? And obviously vice versa is gonna be, let's say if you buy this one and then you sell this one here, and then this one here, what happens is that it doesn't gain strength. This one gains more strength compared to this one here. It means that you're gonna lose some of the profits that you put down. One thing that I like about losing profits is that you don't have to lose all the money that you have. You only lose a specific amount of capital. So if you've got 100 rands, you can say that for every trade that you're taking, you are only going to lose 10 rands. Understand? So that's how it works. That's how the forex business works, né? So I like that. Like I did say, I like the fact that I can be at home the whole day. I don't have to bother people. I don't have to be in the streets. I don't have to, you know, sell something to someone or wait for someone to buy something from me just so I can make profits and stuff. It's not like that. It's all up to me. Whatever that I can see in the markets, I'm able to make use of it. So that's how it is, né? So that's how the forex business works. How do I want to create change? So I decided that, not even I decided, I've been able to spot, like, you know, the question that I've been asking myself, if it can be a career and stuff. I was looking backwards and I was like, you know, what is it that I can do? Because, you know, I've got ideas, goals, 1, 2, 3. Like, I'm at a point where, like, you know, I was like, one of the books that I'm actually reading, the unlock it and stuff. Speaking of different types of levels, there's a successful level, there's, like, you know, survival. The one that goes through survival level is the one that has no money at all. Like, you know, you're at zero, you haven't got money at all, you're like at zero, and you are trying to just make it in just so you can get over the head, or, you know, just so you can see the other side. And then the second level is security. So security, what happens is that that's when you're making some sort of money, you are able to buy your needs and stuff. You're making money, you're secured, you're comfortable, you're good and stuff, but you haven't got the things that you want. You only got the things that you need, and you're comfortable, you're secured, 1, 2, 3, and all those things. That's security. Success, there's also another level. The level 3 is success. Success, actually, what happens is that this is when you have your wants and you also have your needs, and you've got your dream car, your dream house, you know, you've got that nice income, you know, that's success. Like, other people are looking up to you. Like, when you've got other people look up to you, they say, I like you, you're an expert in your industry. That's a successful person. Now, there's also another level that I fell in love with, which is significance. So with this one here, it's more over, like, you know, when someone has already, like, not even has already been successful or anything like that, because at the end, success is just, like, you know, whatever, however you put it for you to be. I can want, you know, Mercedes-Benz C45, and then boom, once I've got it, for me, I'm successful, I'm happy, you understand? And then someone's success could be maybe having a Toyota Corolla, and then they're happy because, you know, they come from and stuff. So we're different with successes and stuff, né? But significance, I like that, because now that's when you get to a level whereby it's not all about you. When you're successful, it's all about you, like, you're taking. But when you are like when you get to that level of significant, like it's all about giving what you have, you understand? So I was able to acquire knowledge, a lot of knowledge, a lot of skill on the market, a lot of knowledge on the markets. I was able to acquire a lot of business knowledge, like group business wise, also a lot of things that I came across. I was able to acquire that, and I don't want to just be able to just share all this knowledge by myself, experience nice things all alone. I want to involve people also in my cycle, just so they can also be able to do this, because the unemployment rate, guys, it keeps on shooting upwards like this. So I'm trying to just come up with the way whereby we can cut it off. Already so far, you can see at the office we've got a few people that are working there. I've also got some part-time people that are working with us virtually, like from different countries and stuff. But I was like, you know what, no, let me just come back and see what's going on. What can I do? What change can I do that can be positive? So that's one thing that I decided to do. So what I'm doing is that we are actually looking for traders. So traders would be people that are able to, obviously, like trading the markets and stuff. So these traders, what they're going to do is that they'll be trading with us, like, trading with us, like, coming to work in the morning, you're looking at the charts, you're trading, you're managing risk, you're doing this all day long, next day, same thing every day, like each and every day you're coming and you're doing one specific thing. That's one thing that we're looking for. So with that, I decided that, like, obviously there'll be requirements, otherwise everyone is just going to be coming in like the same. Everyone's going to be coming in like this. It's going to be difficult. So what are the requirements? Okay, what am I looking for? What are the requirements that I'm looking for? So with the change that I'm trying to do here is that I'm trying to just give as many jobs to people out there, because you want to get, like, capital, real capital that you're going to be trading with. Whatever profits that you make, would be able to cut it through, and all those things, like, it will be detailed displayed to you with the application that will be sent. So the requirements that we are looking for, obviously the first one that I have here is knowledge. So one person has to have knowledge, like, because with knowledge, remember guys, knowledge equals to dollar. Like the way I see knowledge, like when I see knowledge, whatever that's information or knowledge, to me it's equals dollar. So when you gain knowledge, you get money, you understand? Anyhow, like if I want to be a doctor, like, and I study 7 years doctor information, obviously after 7 years doctor information, I'm gonna get doctor's salary, you understand? So those are two different things. But now one thing that the reason that we're looking for this year, the skill and the knowledge, is the fact that it'll allow us to know where to improve and where to not improve. It'll allow us to be able to just see, and then skill is something that you can easily continue doing, and then it'll easily continue. If you improve your skills on a daily basis, you'll get better. So we want to work with people that are going to be able to get better in the long run. We don't want to be in one position in the next few months. So that's the first thing that we're looking for, knowledge, skill. Secondly is trial mode of stats. So with this one here, you're going to have to go through a trial mode, a 1 month trial mode. So that one there, you're going to have a virtual account. It's going to track down what it is that you can do in the markets. Like, we don't want someone that can double the account, like, in a day. We don't want that. Like, that's like for us, you don't have to, because we want something that's sustainable. Remember, it's all about wealth, like building wealth, instead of being rich now and then to the next day or the next thing you're back at the same level that you had. So we want to build that wealth, that sustainability and stuff. So we're actually looking for we'll be going through statistics. On those statistics, you'll be sent how you can also take advantage of that, like the virtual account. Then we'll be able to track down, and then you'll send us through also the results after 30 months. It'll show everything, what is the risk, or what you do, what type of a trader you are, all those things. It'll show us, and then that's how we're going to be able to track it through. And then application will be reviewed. So that's how your application will be reviewed after a month of you doing that. And then automatically what will happen is that you will be, if you passed, obviously, then you'll be given this job of you coming to the office on a daily basis, just placing trades, doing this, and doing that. So more will be given to you, more instruction will be given to you. For now, any information that you want regarding this, you can kindly email Tramin@forextrader.com. I'll try to put it down also somewhere down here, Tramin@forextrader.com. Then you can ask him any inquiries, what you want to understand, you want to like what to see, what requirements, 1, 2, 3, all those things. You'll get to it. So now, this is something that I didn't speak to anyone about. So even anyone, like let's say at the office, they're like, we're looking for traders. They're telling their friends, their cousins, we're looking for traders. Come through, don't just be there. And I'm not just looking for a trader. A trader, anyone can be a trader. My younger brother is a trader. My older brother is a trader. You understand? So anyone can be a trader. I'm actually looking for what we call risk managers. So risk as experts. So when you're someone that is able to manage your risk, then that's powerful, because like it means that in the next 3 months you're gonna be with us, in the next 6 months you're gonna be with us, in the next 12 months you're gonna be, in the next 5 years you're gonna still be with us. So that's one person that I'm looking for. I'm not looking for someone that knows how to trade, and then they've got $100,000 here, and then boom boom they trade, and then they grow it too much. Then that month they're excited, they're buying new cars, then boom, the other month, it's not a good month, and then now you are back, your things are low, and then you have to ask for favors, and then you have to beat around the bush 1, 2, 3. We don't want that. We want the risk managers. A risk manager is someone that will never risk or lose more than 10% of their account. At the same time, a risk manager is also someone that would benefit or profit at least 5 to 25% from the market every month. Every month, this person is making 5 to 25% from the markets. From even just 3% of your account, that's a lot of progress, guys. You guys don't understand that. First of all, a lot of traders lose money, so you were able to keep the money and you made just a bit of profits. That's progress. You beat the statistics a lot. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for that type of a person, a risk manager. So obviously, like I did say, any information that you want regarding this, you just have to go down, email Tramin@forexchasers.com, and then he's gonna give you more information about this. And this is just me, because I was asking myself, can you actually follow trading and stuff? And I was like, what is it that I can do that that even if something happens to me now, Forex is still gonna run in the next 5-10 years, and it'll impact a lot of you, it'll still change lives, it'll still do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then I sat down, then I planned, and then now it's just up to all these people to just show up, all these risk managers to show up. And I know you watching this video are one of those people. Remember, guys, we're doing a giveaway. All you have to do is just go on the website forexchasers.shop, check out, go through what you like, screenshot, share it on your Instagram and your Facebook, tag Forex Chasers, and then you'll be able to be one of the lucky people that can get the Forex Chasers shirt. But I think that's it for today, guys. I think the main purpose of me trying to just break this down into smaller sections for you to understand has been done, because we are now able to understand that yes, we can turn Forex into a career, but we're not only able to understand that, what are we doing about it? We are turning it into a career for most people out there. See you on the next video. It's a boy, Liswamu 2P.